we're featuring our fall subscription box shipping August the 1st. As you can see, we've got our 3 subscriptions all featured on this tiered tray. In our DIY boxes, you get all the wood, the paint, the stencils, and the instructions to paint this yourself. Now, my favorite is the deluxe subscription box because that includes our 6 wood pieces as well as all the extras. So our bead kit here, we've got our pumpkin chai candle, which we're featuring this month, as well as this little extra truck here, which adds to the theme. And the DIY club as well is a great add-on. And this is the 2 wood signs here. So super cute. And you can feature this in your home anywhere, on a shelf, on your mantle, or you can add on a tiered tray as well. So if you are interested in learning more, feel free to head to our website at homeworksetc.ca.